Right, I'm going to show you how to do a repair on cover Styl. You've done a project somewhere, it could be out on a construction site or in a retail store, and somebody has bumped something into your job and damaged your wrap. So you're either going to have to strip off the whole side of the wrap and replace everything, or you're going to be able to effect a repair in a small isolated area. And it can be quite difficult depending on which reference you've used. Solid colors, for example, will be a lot more difficult than a wood grain, which is super forgiving. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a repair on a wood grain texture.
There are two ways to do the repair. The first option is to cut the damage out in the shape of an eye, making sure the sharp ends are in the same direction of the grain. I will then remove the damaged piece and try and match the pattern using an offcut of the same reference. I will then try my best to line the pattern up and apply the film. And using your nail, look for the edge of the underlying film and then cut all the way around, adding about a 3mm overlap. Then peel away the excess film. You'll have to open the layer and remove the double cut from the bottom of the join and drop the new layer in place. Make sure you don't get an overlap here, that the film sits nice and flush. The second way is to cut the entire strip out and do a normal butt join. And sometimes this is the best way, especially with working with a wood grain. After matching the pattern, cut a new strip and apply the new piece, making sure that you have a nice overlap on both ends. Then sharpen your blade and cut both sides of the join in the middle of the overlap. Remove the excess film and drop the new piece in. It's as easy as that.
So that's a really cool way of repairing a project. If you think that it's too late and you've got to rip everything off, there's two options to fix your work. Hit the like button if you like the content, and be sure to subscribe to our Cover Styl channel for more tips and tricks.